Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to check the top speed of the 6S and 4S versions of the HGLRC Arrow3. In order to measure the top speed, I mounted a GPS unit on the top of the quadcopter, and connecting this unit is very easy. You only need to power it up using plus 5 volts, and you also need to connect it to a free UART port on your flight controller, and after a short configuration on Betaflight, you will be able to display the GPS data on your on-screen display and also use the return to home feature. The batteries that I tested the 4S version with are the CNHL 650 mAh 4S Lipo battery. Its weight is 88.3 grams. The Tattoo 4S 850 mAh Lipo battery, which weighs 103.8 grams. And I tested the 6S version with two CNHL 450 mAh 3S Lipo batteries that were connected in series to create a 6S battery. The total weight of these two batteries together is 95.6 grams. And also with two GNB 520 mAh LHD batteries, which weigh together 83.7 grams, which is surprisingly less than the weight of the CNHL batteries. After this short introduction, now it's time to move to the speed test. And by the way, if you're interested in more speed tests, please let me know in the comment section down below, and I will try to measure the top speed of more quadcopters in the future. As always, I thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and you find it useful. If you have any questions about these quadcopters or the speed test, feel free to ask them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell if you're not already subscribed. See you in my next videos, and goodbye.